Is it recording?
Get the clock.
Oh, my finger was over it.
Nice. Get the clock.
Okay.
There you go, scoreboard. Here comes the scoreboard. And yeah. Okay, don't do it too fast. You want to catch me, she's looking at. Okay, I gotta get rid of the scoreboard.
Can I end it?
No, keep recording. Keep it on. Keep the clock on. It's a draw. Now get the final deal. The final deal's coming up. We should have the win. Oh, we should have the win. It's drawn out 0-0. We should have the win. Just keep it focused, right? Your team is victorious. And get the kills. Get the kills.
Yeah.
Get the kills. 8 kills, 3 kills. That shows that we won. Nice. That's it. Now you can stop it.